Hey there, this is a baritone cigar box ukulele that I built. I also put electric in it. I put some piezo's right here underneath the bridge. This is an MGB guitar ukulele baritone kit. Here you get the neck, you get the bridge, you get everything you need. You just have to add your own box. So anyway, very easy to build. I'm going to let you hear this thing, how it sounds unplugged and also plugged in with the pickups. And I just can't say enough about the kit. They're so easy to put together and a lot of fun. Okay, here's the cigar box ukulele baritone unplugged. So plenty loud to practice with and do just about anything you want. Now here it is plugged in with my 3 piezo's underneath here. And that is without any effects. Here is a delay effect. Little slap back, which is what I like because I like rockabilly. Little delay slap back. Chorus pedal. And then with just a little bit of reverb. So that's plugged in with the EQ pedal, and I use a Boss GE7. I find it's great with my acoustic guitars, with my name brand pickups that I had installed into them. You can make these ukuleles sound plugged in just about like any high-end expensive ukulele. Thing I love about these kits is that the necks on these are really nice. So here I'm going to try to play with the backing track that I did with my guitar of minor swings. So let's see how this comes out. Here we go. So there you have it, plugged in and unplugged. Really like these, a lot of fun to build, a lot of fun to just play. Okay, there you have it.